Hello everyone, welcome to iMobie FAQ series, which is designed to help you easily solve various smartphone issues. Today, we'll address some questions you may have about AnyFix. If you haven't heard of AnyFix, it's a one-stop system repair tool designed specifically for Apple users. Whether your device is stuck on a white Apple logo, a black screen, keeps restarting, or you encounter various error codes while updating iOS, iMobie AnyFix can help you get out of trouble quickly and safely, requiring no technical expertise. What are the main features of AnyFix? AnyFix is more than just a simple repair tool. It's an all-in-one solution for the Apple ecosystem, designed to give your device a new lease on life. Key features include system repair, resolves over 130 iOS, iPadOS, tvOS system issues, such as being stuck in recovery mode, unable to charge, screen freezes, etc. iTunes error repair, one-click repair of over 200 iTunes errors, such as sync failures, connection errors, download update errors, etc. Exiting recovery mode, allows for safe entry and exit from recovery mode with a single click, no button press is required. iOS upgrade downgrade, experience the latest beta version or smoothly downgrade to a previous stable version without a developer account. Reset device, force reset a locked device, even if you forget your passcode. In short, AnyFix is a digital first aid kit that lets Apple users say goodbye to system annoyances. Does AnyFix support my device? As long as AnyFix can recognize your device model and successfully connect, you can use all its functions. Recognizes means the software can detect your iPhone, iPad information, current firmware version, etc. on your computer and match you with the corresponding repair solution. What if my system version is the latest or my device model is very old? Don't worry. AnyFix has very broad compatibility, supporting everything from the latest iPhone 15, 16 to earlier models, and covering the entire range from iOS 18 to previous versions. As long as the relevant function is displayed in the software interface, you can proceed with confidence. Please note, if the device has physical hardware damage, such as a cracked screen or a burned motherboard, the software repair may not be effective. What should I do if the operation freezes or fails during the process? In rare cases, you may encounter slow system firmware downloads, stalled repair progress, or unexpected connection interruptions. This is usually related to USB cable quality, computer system permissions, network stability, your operating procedures. Our recommendation is contact iMobie customer service immediately. We have a professional technical team that will provide you with targeted guidance based on your specific device model and error message. What if I try multiple times and still can't succeed? Rest assured, we promise, if after our assistance in troubleshooting, it is determined that your device problem cannot be resolved through software, we offer comprehensive refund support. Our goal is always to allow you to use iMobie AnyFix with peace of mind and security. How much does it cost? iMobie AnyFix offers a variety of flexible licensing options to suit your needs. Monthly license, $39.99 per month, ideal for emergency troubleshooting of single system failures. Year license, $59.99 per year, a cost-effective option to protect your devices. Lifetime license, $79.99, a one-time payment for permanent use and lifetime free technical updates. Hopefully, the above information has answered your questions about the iMobie AnyFix. If you have any further questions about Apple devices, please leave a comment below, and we will reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to iMobie for more useful iOS tips and product information. Thanks for watching. See you next time.